My name's Tracy from Customer Support, and in this video I wanted to show you the new secondary applicant feature that we've added into Scribe. So from my exclusive rights, rather than creating a new record, I'm just going to edit one that I've already added here. And underneath the applicant, you'll now see that you have a space for secondary applicants. To add in your secondary applicant, simply click onto the plus name and enter the name of the person that is on the application. Obviously also add in their address. And click on Save. Just move myself out of the way. Once they're saved in there, you'll notice that you've got the related records here for the burial and the plot with further details that are showing. This has been standardised throughout burials, memorials, scatterings and plots. Having updated this now, if I'd like to go in and generate the notice, we do still have the old notices that are there. This just gives you access to the notices menu that you've got on the left-hand side, should you wish to update them into the new notices. However, if we actually go into the record to actually generate the notices from the top right-hand corner, you'll just get the one option, which is the new notices. Choose your template that you've got at the top here. So if, for example, it is the deed of grant, we've got the system deed of grant here as well. We've also got deed of grant for multiple applicants. So this one you will see, as well as having the actual applicant name and address, you've also got merge tags that have been created here for the secondary applicants. There is a show header and a show signature there. You have got the ability to preview this. So we can see here that we've got the applicant there as Jane, and we can see then the secondary applicants with David being listed here as well. If you don't wish to have the signature panel and the header at the top of the page, if I click on to take the tick out of show header and show signature, then we can preview that again, and we can see here that the actual header and footer has been removed. Once you're happy with this, you can export it to a PDF as a single PDF, which will then appear here, ready for you to print or copy that notice. The actual notices themselves are housed within the CRM menu. So coming down to the CRM, we've got a list of templates that are here. All of the system ones are highlighted with the word system that's there. So if you do want to make any edits to any of these, then you can obviously come into here and update them to create your own. You won't be able to update the system templates, but you can generate your own. Coming into the system template, if you simply take out the word system, we can then go ahead and add in anything or make any amendments that we want to. You can either keep it as this name, or you can obviously have Scribe Council on the end of it so that you know that it's yours. There are a number of different tags that you will find within here. So we've got the deceased, we can see we've got the applicant name and address, and also the ability for putting the secondary applicant so that it appears all on one line within the notice. You've also got at the bottom here the date. You can insert today's date. We're aware that on some of the notices you prefer to see today's date in words, so you can add in today's date in words in here as well. So if I just wanted to add on the end of here the date in words, I can come back to the tag, pop in today's date, and today's date in words will show on here. There. Any formatting that you want to do, obviously if this is quite small and you want to update it, you can come up to here. You can change the system font to any of those that are shown on the screen. You can also change the size, so instead of having it at 8, I might have it at 12. So we can see there that we've got today's date in words, and that's saved as my Scribe Parish Council for the exclusive rights. Once I've saved that entry, I can preview it. I've also got the ability to then go back to the exclusive right record that I generated and come down to generate the notice here on the right hand side. Choosing my template, so this time I'm going to choose the new one, exclusive multiple rights for Scribe Council. We can come into here, we can obviously see that today's date in words that's showing there, and I've got the ability to preview that on the screen so I can see where the merge tags have come through on there. Any assistance that you need with the merge tags or customizing these notices, please do get in contact with us. Hello@scribeaccounts.com. Thanks for watching.